I'm going to be talking you through setting up your personal preferences for your scheduler. So once you've logged into your account, click on the scheduler option here, and from here you can see some icons on the left. Click on preferences, and this is where you can set your personal preferences for your account. We'll start from the top. Target calendar is the calendar that the events will be added into. You can configure this by clicking this option here, and you can add extra calendar services should you wish. Next is the conferencing. There's a few different options for it. You can start off with no conferencing services, your default conferencing service. So for example, if you are using Google Calendar and your default service through that is Google Meets, it will automatically generate a link through Google Meets. 8x8, or you can configure different conferencing services by adding them here and selecting Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or GoToMeetings. Next is your location. You can leave this blank if it's a remote meeting, or you can set it if you would like. Next is your duration of the event. This can be a minimum of 1 minute, so any duration you like. Next, we're setting the working hours. So if you would like multiple calendars to be included, you can add them here. For instance, if you have a personal calendar with personal events and a work calendar with work events, and you would like none of them to be scheduled over, you can include them here, and we'll consider those when scheduling events. Next, you can set your working hours. It's just a drag and drop. So for example, if I said I don't work Wednesday afternoons, just got to pick it up and drag it. And now that is no longer available, events will not be scheduled within that time. You can select a time zone here beneath. Next is buffers. So we add this if you would like to have a free bit of time before or after an event. For example, if you would like 15 minutes to prepare for a presentation, or if you'd like 15 minutes after to take some notes. Scheduling period is the period you would like to offer the slots to recipients, and this can be from 7 days to 21 days. You can also select if you would like to receive a reminder email before the scheduled event starts. Minimum notice is how much notice you would like the person you are sending the invite to give you. You can set this to 2 hours, 1 hour, all the way up to 48 hours. You can click on allow rescheduling if you would like the event to be rescheduled by the person you've sent the link to. You can mark the event as private should you wish to hide the event details from anyone else. You can add a profile image through Gravatar, and you can also set a public link, so you do not have to send it to a specific user, and instead post the link publicly, and anyone who has that link can go through and schedule an event with you. So these are all the scheduling preferences you can set up. Next, we will be talking about how to make a request.